Alright, Nature's Bakery Oatmeal Crumble Apple. Here it is. This was at Walmart for $1. So I really didn't lose anything out of this, really. Let's go in. It's pretty good. It does have the apple taste. It's sort of like you're biting into an apple pie. A little bit anyway. Kind of like you got that apple pie and you reach the very end of it where it's got the filling and the crust at the same time. That's kind of what it's like. It's not bad. I like it. For $1, it's pretty good. I'll give this a 7.5 out of 10. And until next time.